Hi guys, this is a soft glam I created on a client, which is my best friend. I started with the eyes. I used the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I used Unity and Eden through the crease. I started adding a little bit of parallel, as you can see here, which is just going to deepen out that outer V. It's going to add warmth and dimension. And I use Sphinx on the lid, as you guys are going to see right now. This is a beautiful goldy shade. I blended everything seamlessly using transition shades from Morphe 39A palette as well. Here I'm cleaning everything out. As you know, like powders tend to kind of have a little bit of fallout, so you want to make sure to clean everything out. Here I'm just applying some mascara, and here I'm applying my Ardell wispy lashes, which are so beautiful. For the base, I used the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I concealed with Morphe Fluidity concealer. What you guys saw me bronzing with, which was the MAC Give Me Sun. And I set that under eye with a little bit of the Mercier translucent setting powder. I also used a pop of Milani luminoso on the cheeks and highlighted with the Estee Lauder Heat Wave. Ooh. Beautiful. For the lips, I used the Julep Lip Mousse in Midnight. I love this classic timeless red. It's so beautiful. This is one of those timeless soft glams looks that always works. It's polished, effortless, and never out of style. Thanks for watching.